And the picture really tells the tale. Some areas have seen quite a bit of rain already, and in fact it looks rather dire. It looks as though we've got this, then this coming on through the mid-Atlantic, but you'll notice it rather breaks off. So in fact we've only got this portion of the front to be concerned about. That was more than enough this morning if you spent the day in Northern Ireland. It's going to skip away later on through the North Channel into the western side of Scotland. I think the general principle is the further north and east you are, the more likely it is going to stay that little bit drier for that little bit longer. But do notice as well that the wind really quite gusty in one or two spots as well. Some brightness over towards the eastern side of the Pennines, but east is no sanctuary from the rain. There are bits and pieces still left over from something else over in East Anglia and the eastern side of Kent. After a foggy start, well, it's not bad down in the southwest until that band of cloud really thickens up later on in the afternoon. And indeed on the western side of Wales, you will see some rain there to finish off the day as well. So let me now move you on through the first part of the evening. You'll see that rain really sort of gathering itself across Scotland down into the western side of England to Wales, which could be a concern if you're off to the two major footballing fixtures through the course of this evening. But the rain may well ease for a time later on at Anfield. You see that the whole thing does in fact move away into the North Sea. Probably stuck across the north of Scotland though, enough cloud around there to keep the frost at bay, and quite mild down there in the southeast under quite a thick blanket of cloud. So let's start the new day on Thursday. We'll move back up to Scotland. Here, I'll call it the last of Wednesday's rain, still hanging on in the first part of the day across the northern half of Scotland. At least by this stage, the winds will have eased. Come a little bit further south into the central belt, down into the southern uplands. I think a dry and a bright start here. It isn't quite wall-to-wall sunshine, mark you. You'll notice though we've got some shading in across the north of England. And then down along the south coast, there could well still be quite a veil of persistent cloud here. So a dry enough start and a relatively mild one too, but not an awful lot of sunshine. If we've got the sums right for that, you really have to move back north of the Bristol Channel into the body of Wales, and here there will be some decent sunshine around, and certainly a drier start to Thursday than was the case for Wednesday for Northern Ireland. So on through the day, and I think the general theme is that it'll be a much drier and a brighter day, even in those areas, northern Scotland, the south of England, that I've described as being fairly cloudy to start off the day, could actually turn out to be a little bit brighter as the day goes on. And we'll see a top temperature of 18 or 19 degrees. No complaints, please. That's not bad.
That's not bad, no. Thank you.